What's going on YouTube? If you caught my live show yesterday, I was trying to create a Python script using ChatGPT that did a bunch of things that are common for my workflow for organizing job folders. I'm going to just show you this script working. There is some kind of like goofy little oddities that happen just in a Windows platform. That's part of it. I'll show you what ended up being my solution. So one is that I get a project file from a client, and then on top of that, I go and do a screen clipping or search for their icon, for their brand, I should say, their company name. So in this case, maybe it's Suprema Homes, which is an awesome company out in, I believe, the Northwest. Okay. And so I will typically click on the images, and then from here, I'll do something like this. I'll right click and I'll go search image with Google. So maybe I'll find a couple of different icons for Suprema Homes. Here we go. That's perfect. So I could just take this, save this image as, this is a PNG. So this is Suprema. There we go. So now I have that here. I'm going to get rid of this one. Whatever icon exists here and whatever plan file exists here will be utilized within my Python script. And so here is it working. I'm going to double click it to start the action. It's going to say enter the client's name for the folder. This is going to be Suprema Homes. All right. And then the client's project. I might be able to find out what the client's project. I think this is Worthy or something like that. So there's the client project name. And now my Python script has done everything I needed it to do. Now, here's the caveat is we need to clear the icon cache of Windows in order for this to show up. Or you do a restart, that's going to work as well. But I could just hit Alt-Enter and click over to Customize and press OK. Alt-Enter, click over to Customize, press OK. And now it's worked. So now the folder has the icon that I want on it. And within the folder, I have a couple things. One is Rabbitt Design Portal, which is what I save back to the client. I give them a Dropbox link to this. That way in their Dropbox, it's very easy to find, hey, Rabbitt Design, I work with them. Great. Then double click that. Within that is our project folders, right? So here's that project, Worthy. And here is a backdated version of this file that they gave me, okay? That's backdated. Now there's my new naming convention. This is our current date. So 240322, that's March 22nd of 2024. DRVA Design Review A version 1. Worthy is the job name. We're in the Worthy folder and my initials are R. Within there, we've got the received file, which is -AB, and we made another copy -N. Notice I didn't do anything except for click my Python script. It did all of this for me so that I can just double click my new plan and start doing my work, and it's falling within my naming convention. And I get to go take Suprema Homes, drop this into my main project directory, get rid of this PNG, and there we go. So if you were watching me yesterday try to figure this out, I did figure it out. Thank you for anybody that was in there hanging out with me. And yeah, I can't wait to start making some more automation to kind of cut down on redundant tasks for me, because tell you the truth, this is a really tedious process. I'll show you how it goes. I go Control-Shift-N for a new folder, Suprema Homes. Let's see how long this takes me. And well, unfortunately, I've already got a Suprema Homes. Let's just get this file so we've got something to work with. Folder generator, we'll get rid of this. And oops, we got rid of that. So let's try that again. Let's get rid of Suprema Homes. Let's get rid of our new folder. Let's try this all over again. So now this is the process. Let me see if I can't see a time marker here. We're at 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm going to start at about, 4:45. So here we go. Control-Shift-N, Suprema Homes. And then I need to somehow generate an icon for this. One way I could do that was go back to the internet, go to convertio.co. I could scroll back here, drag this on to convertio.co, type this down, go icon, bam, convert it. Have to sit here and wait for a second. You can download it. I need to make sure I'm taking it to the correct location, which is going to be in my images directory, then in icons, and here's where I would save it. We're just going to call it suprema.icon, so I'm not overwriting what I had before. Get back here, Alt-Enter, go to Customize, Change Icon, Browse. I'm already in the icons here, so I get to type in Suprema. There we go. Now I've applied that. From here, I've got to go Rabbitt design portal with no mistakes. Make another one that is backdated, so 240321 received. And then I'm going to drag this into here. I'm going to copy that. Right, I need to rename this 230422 DRVA V1 worthy, and then RR. Okay, I'm going to do worthy as the project name. I need to get in here and F2-AB, copy, paste, F2-N. There we go. Go back a level. Now I've got these two go into worthy. Worthy goes into Rabbitt Design Portal. That goes into Suprema Homes. Now I'm finished. How long did that take? At my fastest, that took maybe 3 minutes. So let's just pull out the calculator to check this out. Let's just say we're going to do 3 minutes and we're going to do times 30 clients in a year, right? So that's going to be 90 minutes. It's an hour and a half. So they're saving an hour and a half. Saving an hour and a half a year. Times, let's say I'm at a billing rate of, well, 1.5 times 200. 300 bucks. So we're saving 300 bucks a year just by creating that one script. And it took me a couple hours to create that script. So after this year, I'm saving 300 bucks a year. But the point is, this stuff adds up, right? Automation adds up. And there's no way I'm doing that every time with that level of speed, right? That was very quick. So, you know, think about automating redundant tasks. I'll tell you, more than anything, that was peace of mind. That's such a frustrating process for me. It's so nice to be able to click, type in a few things, have it be done so fast. So check out that live video if you want to see how it was done, because I got 90% of the way there in that live video.